Continue doing something that continuously gets me hurt. But anyway, so we're starting back on the AT. I got Roland and Mary Jo with me. Oh, I should probably wait for this car. We're heading up the Mcafee Knob and then on past to the next shelter pass. It's about 5 miles in total. So it should be a good hike. We're doing Mcafee Knob today, Tinker Cliffs tomorrow, and out the Andy Lane Trail. Alright, so yesterday coming in, I went ahead and hiked this first mile into the John Springs shelter. I'm going to take better pictures when I get there. I tried last night and the flash was just too bad. Hopefully better lighting in the day. But that's the first mile in, and we'll take a look at where I stayed. And then I came out and met Roland and Mary Jo in the parking lot. So later start than normal, noon, but we're only going about 5 total miles, maybe 6. No big deal. Yeah. I would assume that the fire road is going to be easier, just because the AT is known to be ridiculously hard for absolutely no reason. There we go. I am. I don't know how much of it get though.
Ready?
Tom went up to that little lip. Right up this crack over.
That's why I'm getting it on camera. I need a revenge film. It's fairly new shelter, fairly simple.
Where'd you have your hammock?
Over here. I strung it between this tree here and that tree over there.
I knew what I was trying to say. It just wasn't coming out.
So another day of crazy trail on the AT. We got a 1,400-foot climb to Mcafee Knob, give or take, and then whatever is down to the shelter or campsite. A bunch of people in the parking lot, so it should be crowded. It's been pretty fun so far. Just taking our sweet time. Packs off water. Well, yeah.
If you're doing shit like this, image stabilization is key.
Alright, this is the second shelter on the trail. The Catawaba or whatever, who knows. See. So I want to go check out the campsites back here. Oh, right on the trail too. Looks like we're crossing the fire road again, right? Yep. So, plenty more stairs. Another mile, 1.2 miles to the Mcafee Knob. Looks like they've changed the trail up recently. Cool. Alright, we got an open area. It's really nice out under the power lines, but one hell of a breeze. Rolling Mary Joe behind me. Whew. Ooh, I can still climb. So we're on our last little stretch to Mcafee now, and it's pretty cool, pretty open for our site. Should be fairly crowded up here, maybe not. We'll see. Makes me wish I brought shoes and chalk. So now that I'm nearing the top here, all the trees are shrinking in size. It's definitely opening up. I'll have to dry off my head and reapply some suntan lotion. But been a good day so far. Just kind of a slow, steady pace. And yeah, good day. Yeah, there's the white blaze right there. So we got the last mile left to go to either the campsite or the shelter. We might cowboy camp in the shelter. Just throw down our air mattresses and stuff. We'll see what we can do. Trail goes that way. Oh. It's like ridgy ledges. So probably one of my favorite times to hike during the day. It's a couple hours before nightfall, about 6:30. We had about a mile from the cliffs, from the knob, and so we got less than that now. But temperature's a lot cooler, the humidity's down, sun's going down. Start getting sunbeams and stuff like that. So we'll see what time we get started in the morning. I'll have to change out batteries when I get to camp. Show you, make you some dinner, setting up. It's whatever we're gonna do. Here we go. Opening.